Is your bloating actually happening because of eating too much of fat? You've just started keto, you eat some more fatty food and you feel bloating. What is causing this bloating? Is it vegetable? Is it protein? What kind of food group am I not supposed to eat? Should I skip dairy? Should I skip some other food groups? We'll understand everything in this video so that you don't feel bloated and you do not struggle while adapting to ketosis. Stay tuned till the end. Hi, welcome back. I'm Rahul Kamra, founder of KetoRets. After transforming myself and 1,000+ people in the last 6 years of my professional experience, I want to talk about a topic which is very less discussed. Bloating. While you are on keto, you are feeling bloated. And when I tried finding so many videos on YouTube, I could see only a few talking about bloating, but not actually telling how to solve this. So before I proceed further, don't forget to pause the video, subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. This is the only चैनल इन इंडिया जहां पे कीटो, लो कार्ब, फैट लॉस साइकोलॉजी और इन सब के बारे में बात होती है. इंडिया में कोई भी कीटो चैनल नहीं है जो कीटोजेनिक डाइट के बारे में बात करता है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू पॉज द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल प्रेसिंग द बेल आइकन. मूविंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, नीचे बार में आपको आराम से सारे चैप्टर्स मिलेंगे. वील अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस वीडियो व्हाई फैट डाइजेशन इज वेरी डिफरेंट एज कंपेयर टू प्रोटीन एंड कार्ब्स. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ योर गॉल ब्लैडर एंड हाउ इट कैन बी sluggish, how it can be also improved, how you can solve your bloating on keto without quitting your keto journey. We'll understand all of these topics in this video. Stay tuned. So moving to chapter number 1, fat digestion isn't as simple as it looks. It looks very simple that you're eating fats, the body is going to digest it. But it is not as simple as it seems like. Specifically on ketogenic diet, people start with butter, coffee, ghee, olive oil, avocado. But fat is the most difficult macronutrient for the body to digest. And when the body tries to digest it, it has very different mechanism as compared to protein or carbohydrates. Carbs start digesting in your mouth itself. Protein starts digesting in your stomach. But fats need a different kind of digestive juice, also called as bile. This is produced by your liver and stored in your gallbladder, and then your body starts utilizing fats. So bile emulsifies fat just like how you use Vim bar. कोई आप बर्तन को साफ कर रहे हो, उस पे तेल लग गया है. Literally bile का यही काम है, to emulsify fats and to digest it. But the question comes down to, if your gallbladder is sluggish, then what happens? So if your gallbladder is sluggish and you've started keto right now, you may experience bloating and gas. You may experience heaviness. You may experience loose stools and you may see that you're excreting fats. This is nothing new. Your gallbladder has become sluggish over a period of time because you were eating low fat diet, and now when fats have come, उसके लिए एकदम से सरप्राइज है कि भैया फैट कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो इंसान खाता ही नहीं था इतना फैट, तो बाइल की कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. And the gallbladder simply gets that immediate alarm to start also releasing bile. And when it releases bile in a specific quantity, and this is where your sluggish gallbladder can make you feel bloated as well. This is especially common with female those who have hormonal issues. PCOS, PCOD में gallbladder के issues हैं ही हैं. Second thing, somebody who's tried a low fat diet. काफी लोग बड़े interestingly try करते हैं, हम एक high protein, absolutely adequate carbs और extremely low fat diet try कर रहे हैं. उनको लगता तो है कि चलो fat loss हो जाएगा, ये diet सही है. But for them, their gallbladder becomes sluggish. Third thing, somebody who has a gallbladder history of stones, surgery. So it's not about your diet right now, it's about your body, it's about adaptation right now, which is very important for you to understand in this chapter 1. We move to chapter number 2, signs that your body is not digesting fats properly. These signs are very important. अगर आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हो, एक बार पॉज करके कुछ पेपर पेन लिख लो, क्योंकि आपको ये साइंस उसका टिक मार्क करने पड़े. आप यस नो के सामने अगर टिक मार्क करोगे, you will be able to understand कि आपका gallbladder sluggish है कि नहीं, because these symptoms and these signs will help you to understand if you need to make any changes. Otherwise, you'd start fixing something which is not broken. So we move to topic signs which are very important for you to note. You feel a lot of heaviness in the upper part of your tummy, in the upper part of your belly, and this heaviness does not slow down. It stays for a long period of time. Second thing is you are burping after every meal. On a ketogenic diet, you cannot burp and you cannot fart. If you're farting, that is higher protein which you're eating. If you're burping, that is fats not digesting. You cannot burp and fart on keto. Third thing is bloating after a butter coffee in the morning. कि आपने सुबह सुबह fat coffee पी and you're feeling extremely bloated, एकदम से stomach tight हो गया है. शाम का मील खाया, फिर से एकदम से stomach tight हो गया है. Fourth is you गोइंग टू द वॉशरूम. आप गए हो फ्रेशन अप होने के लिए, पॉटी करके आए हो, उसके बाद में यू आर प्रेसिंग द फ्लश, लेकिन आपका जो स्टूल है वो फ्लश से जा ही नहीं रहा है. यू आर सीइंग लाइक एज इफ देयर इज फ्लोटिंग स्टूल्स. यू आर सीइंग दैट यू हैव लूज स्टूल्स थ्रू आउट. योर गॉल ब्लैडर इज डेफिनेटली sluggish then. I know I can be yuck at times. It's okay. I need to explain this to you. Last one is you're feeling fatigue after every meal. The moment you have your meal, you feel like okay, अब तो बस हो गया, अब तो नींद आ रही है, अब तो फटाफट नींद आ जाती है. And that's where you start feeling very, very fatigued after your meal. These are few signs of your gallbladder being sluggish. This usually happens for people those who are on a low fat diet, which most of the people are when they are trying to lose fat. जो इंसान पहली बार फैट लॉस करने आता है कीटो पे, उसको ये नहीं फेस होता है. जो n नंबर ऑफ डाइट्स ट्राई कर चुके हैं, आई एम अ यो डाइटर बड़े प्राउडली कहते हैं, उनको स्टार्टिंग में फील होता है, उनको लगता है यार बॉडी के अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ है कि हमारी डाइट पे कुछ गड़बड़ है. दिस इज नथिंग, योर बाइल इज राइट नाउ अडैप्टिंग, बाइल फ्लो इज नॉट ऑप्टिमम, एंड हेंस दीज आर द साइंस व्हिच हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड इफ यू हैव अ स्लगिश गॉल ब्लैडर. सो फर्स्टली यू अंडरस्टूड इन चैप्टर 1 कि ब्लोटिंग फैट से कैसे हो सकती है, किस केस में होती है. सेकंड, यू अंडरस्टूड दी साइंस. लेट्स कम टू चैप्टर नंबर 3, हाउ टू फिक्स ब्लोटिंग विदाउट लोअरिंग फैट्स. अब तो बड़ा सिंपल है कि फैट एकदम से लोअर कर दो, आपकी ब्लोटिंग फिक्स हो जाएगी. बट हाउ डू यू फिक्स इट विदाउट लोअरिंग इट? फर्स्ट इज ईज इनटू हाई फैट्स. फॉर सम पीपल व्हिच आई recommend at Ketorets to start with fat coffee at a lower level and then go higher. There are people who experience in the first week, यार मुझे बड़ी bloating feel हो रही है, I'm not feeling super energetic, I'm feeling very lethargic. मेरा मन करता है उनको कहने का, यार तुम्हारी बॉडी अंदर से ना ऑर्केस्ट्रा खेल रही है, बिल्कुल messed up है. But at that point of time, I would play it the other way around. I would make sure that their fat protein ratios in their meals are reduced and their fat coffee is reduced in the initial period so that they can see some gradual changes. Whereas in the second case is including bitter greens, especially kale, spinach, and also including baby spinach. More than this, with bitters, you can also have lemon water 15 minutes before your meal. If you do that, vitamin C will help you to absorb fats in a better way and will make you feel less bloated. Third is add digestive enzymes if needed. There is a uni enzyme which you get in the market. There are also enzymes with lipase. Some people use ox bile in cases of gallbladder surgery or gallbladder issues. It's again dependent upon how exactly you want to use this, how much you want to include. You may want to just include a generic enzyme which is very, very helpful for you, and this can also help you to make sure that the digestion is improved enough. Fourth is chew thoroughly and eat slowly. If you eat slowly, body gets time to digest things. If you do not chew well, it has a lot of things to do. So if you're eating a high fat meal, even if you're eating cauli rice with paneer curry with more fats, try to chew well and eat slowly. Take some time, at least 30-40 minutes. Don't watch Netflix, नहीं तो देखते हुए आप भूल जाओगे कितनी जल्दी आपने खाना खा लिया, 10-15 मिनट में आपका खाना फिनिश हो गया. Try to give yourself enough time to eat well and chew well so that you can try to digest it better. That will also help you with bloating. Fifth one is consider bile supporting meals or try techniques. Bile supporting meals are eggs, liver, like chicken liver is what you can have. You can have some meats which have taurine as well. You can also try to include certain exercises. Say for example, after your meal, after 20 minutes of your meal, you can go for a 10 minutes walk. This will help you to reduce bloating. This will help you to improve your digestion. This will also help your gallbladder to produce bile, which is going to be a major game changer for you. It is going to be super helpful for you to make sure that you're not completely messed up and you're not bloated enough. So to recap this video, your gut isn't failing. It's just adapting. It is important for you to understand that gallbladder plays a very important role in digesting fats. There could be times when you're bloated because of sluggish gallbladder. There could be times when you're bloated because you're also experiencing these kind of symptoms and you're not chewing well, or you're not exercising, you're not giving at least 5-10 minutes of walk after a meal, and it is very, very solvable. It is not necessary for you to simply leave ketosis or reduce fats. It is important for you to troubleshoot it rather than crib about it, क्योंकि fat loss करते समय आपको ये पता ही है कि keto can help you to become insulin sensitive at a faster rate as compared to any other diet. Stay very, very vigilant with your body and listen to your body carefully. I hope you like this. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. Do comment in the comment section if you have any ideas and any things to add on. And if you're a person who's been struggling with fat loss, there's a link in the description for you to also book a call with me. If you want to learn after this video how to understand intermittent fasting, एक पूरी playlist मैंने बनाई है YouTube पे. Check out this. You will understand everything about intermittent fasting. And if you are struggling with fat loss and you want to learn about mind traps that your brain plays a lot of times, some kind of games which you simply do not understand, check out this video. You will watch both of them and you'll thank me later. This is Rahul Kamra. I'll see you next week. Signing off.